Taco day, you guys. What's up? How's it going, man?
Another day, another day.
Hell yeah. We like to highlight and show our appreciation. These are the people that are answering the phones, getting us original manufacturer parts for systems, where we get our HVAC systems from as well, so that we can do full HVAC installs. And they are the support on the back end for all of us companies. Today we're going to be highlighting AC Pro. We're going to be bringing them all plates of tacos so that they know Transparency Home Services appreciates them. Thank you, AC Pro. You guys are awesome. Taco day, you guys.